KimaFun are not new to delivering wireless microphones at budget level prices, and the G130 we've taken a look at previously delivered some good quality audio. If you're looking to take it a step further though, with features such as live monitoring for instance, then this could be the ideal solution, the KimaFun G50. Capturing good audio can get rather expensive with high quality solutions such as the DJI mic for instance. Although if you're on a budget and don't necessarily need that production level quality, then the KimaFun G50 we have here could be just what you need. Complete with a good quality hard shell carry and storage case, and although the box does seem to show other options, I couldn't actually find any other kits online, but nevertheless what we have here is a simple single transmitter receiver bundle cushioned within a hard foam protective layer. The design of both units is quite similar, with the transmitter being slightly smaller in size than the receiver. Plastic in construction and weighing in at only 27 grams, the transmitter is lightweight enough to easily clip onto your shirt, collar or tie, thanks to the built-in clip on the rear. Otherwise, we have a USB charging port on one side, with a volume rocker and power button on the opposite, with the latter also doubling as a mute switch while in use too. Across the top, alongside power and pairing status LEDs, we find the main omnidirectional condenser microphone, meaning it can capture sounds in all directions, with a handy wind muffler being included in the package too for when used outside in breezier environments. Although the transmitter is very lightweight, it is a little larger than the competition. But saying that, should you wish for a more hidden solution, a lavalier mic is also included in the package, which clips neatly into the available port beside the built-in microphone, and now providing the ability to clip the transmitter to your belt where it's out of view, and the lav mic further up on your collar for instance. A nice overall solution, although do note that the foam windscreen does tend to come off a little too easily. The receiver is slightly larger, but carries the same overall design, again with power and volume controls on one side and a charging port on the other. Note that a charging cable is of course included with the kit, providing the ability to charge both transmitter and receiver simultaneously from a single USB Type-A port, which is very handy, with a 1.5 hour charge providing around 5 hours of usage. What's different with the receiver are the two ports on the top, one being the output for attaching to your recorder, such as a camera or smartphone for instance, while the second being for attaching a headset and providing the ability to monitor what's being captured in case you really want to feel like a pro. When it comes to monitoring though, we also have a built-in display on the top of the device too. So with both the receiver and transmitter powered up, the display springs to life, highlighting useful information such as battery status of both transmitter and receiver, signal strength, headphone volume output, and of course peaking levels of audio as it streams across. You can't do anything further here and it is a little dim, but it's good enough as a quick visual check if anything else. Anyways, with the unit attached to a camera's cold shoe adapter, easy with the built-on clip, users are able to connect the receiver directly to the camera using the included TRS to TRS cable, meaning the camera will now accept its audio feed straight from the receiver. It's as easy as that. A TRRS cable is also included should you wish to attach to your smartphone instead, again with no further setup necessary. And as for performance, we have the KimaFun microphone mounted on my chest just here. Now it does use the 2.4 GHz band, so it should be good for a range of around 50 meters, which is about 160 feet, which is more than enough for most vlogging type use anyway. Now, one thing I don't like about the microphone is the size. It actually looks quite large mounted on my chest here. So luckily we do get that lavalier microphone, so we'll give that a shot next. So with the lavalier microphone now installed, I've got the transmitter right here out of the shot, the microphone installed in the same place as before, so we should be getting very similar if not the same sound quality, but it looks a lot nicer in your subject, a lot more professional, and doesn't stick out as much as having this large piece of equipment mounted to your chest instead. But this should give you a good idea of the type of sound quality you can expect to achieve from the KimaFun G50. Of course, you're not going to get the quality or the feature set of a premium level microphone like the DJI mic or the Rode Wireless Go solutions, but that's not the intention here. What we do have here is a budget level wireless microphone system that actually does work rather well and provides both onboard and external lavalier capture options, with some monitoring features thrown in for extra measure. And in that regard, it all works rather well. If you're an online content creator looking to move away from onboard audio capture and are after an external wireless solution, the KimaFun G50 would be a good investment.